Hey guys, in this video I want to go over a drill that I've been doing in my vinyasa classes this month to strengthen the outer hip, strengthen the gluteus medius. Now the outer hip, gluteus medius, is a big contributor to our standing, one-legged standing balancing poses. It's also the main kind of stabilizer as we walk. So when we pick up one leg, it keeps the planted leg hip from leaning out too far. So for this drill, I want you to grab a block. Have a block be at the tallest setting. If you don't have a block, have it be about the same height. We're going to go from one-legged Tadasana to revolved half moon a few times, going slow, keeping the outer right hip in. So to get started, I just want you to feel the muscles that we're talking about, that we're trying to target. So stand on your right foot, left knee comes into your chest, one-legged Tadasana. Just keep your left hand at your heart center. Your hand comes to your outer hip, and I just want you just to kind of collapse out, right? Lean the hip out, the joint just kind of collapse into it. This is not what we're looking for. Take your right hand to your hip. Without pressing the hand in, draw the hip back in. And just kind of slide your hand around on your glute, your outer hip, and just feel those muscles that are engaged. We want these to stay engaged the entire time. Okay, so to get started, block the highest setting. Right about 2 feet in front of your right big toe, a little bit to the inside. Shift the weight into your right foot, left knee draws into the chest, right outer hip in. We're not collapsing out like we did to start. I just wanted you to feel that. Draw this in. Left arm up toward the ceiling. The right hand's going to stay here as a friendly reminder to keep disengaged, keep the outer hip drawing in. And then we're just going to sweep the left leg back, tap the left fingertips to your block. Straighten out your left leg and lift the left leg with the glute. And then inhale, slowly come back up. Brush the inner thighs as you come up. Try to keep this outer hip in. Exhale, left fingertips to the block, left leg back. And then last time, inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, come all the way down. I actually lied. Let's do this a few more times. I just want to build strength. Inhale, slowly come back up. Keep the outer hip engaged. Feel the outer hip. We're also building strength in the hamstring. Exhale, left knee or left fingertips down, left leg back. Use the left glute to lift. Inhale, lift. Exhale, extend. Engage the left quad and left glute. Keep the outer hip pulling in. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, revolve half moon, and just hold and revolve half moon. Fingertips to your block. Right arm can be up toward the ceiling. You can keep it on the outer hip. But notice a lot of times we collapse out into that outer right hip in our revolved half moon. So draw the right hip in and pull it back. Right arm up. And then slowly, right hand to your hip. Keep the outer hip in. Left knee into the chest. Set the left foot down. Shake out the leg. So you kind of feel it kind of burning here. The gluteus medius, the gluteus max is working, hamstrings working. So we're strengthening this unit here, which is really weak for most people. Right? Left side. Right knee into the chest. Make sure the block again about 2 feet in front of the left foot, just to the inside. Weight into the left foot, right knee into the chest. Just, again, not the hip out to the left. Don't collapse into the joint. Draw the hip in. Left hand stays on the outer hip, a little bit towards the glute to keep it fired up. Right arm up. Take a breath in, reach up. Keep the inner thighs squeezing in towards each other. Extend the right leg back. Tap the blocks, straighten out the right leg, and then lift the right glute toward the ceiling. Inhale, slowly come back up. Right knee to the chest. Keep that left hip pulling in. Exhale, tap the block. I think we did 5 or 6 on the other side, so we'll do about 5 or 6 here. And then inhale, come all the way back up. No one actually likes doing this month in class, but it's good for them. Exhale, come all the way back down. And then inhale, slowly come back up. Exhale, slowly go back down. Slow and controlled will build the strength. If we just fly through this, it's not going to have the same effect. Last time, right knee to the chest. Keep the outer hip drawing in. Keep the left glute fired. Right leg back. Right fingertips down. Draw that left outer hip in. So squeeze the outer hips towards each other, inner thighs towards each other. Left arm can go up toward the ceiling. Lift the right leg from the glute. Take an inhale. Exhale, left hand to your left hip. Right knee slowly back in. Keep that left outer hip pulling in. Left big toe mound pressing down. Set the right foot down. Shake it out. Try it out. Maybe do 10 sets or so. Like I said, I put it into the middle of a vinyasa class just so we can build strength, because we can't get enough outer hip, gluteus medius, gluteus maximus strengthening in yoga, because all we're doing a lot is just fold, front body strengthening, not enough back body strengthening, okay? Try it out. Let me know what you think. Namaste.